Hey there! Today we're going to discuss on how we can convert a string to a number in C. So let's get started. Let me open up this editor, and as you can see here, I have this file created earlier. I name it ex55 underscore converting string to num.c or to numbers.c. So converting a string of numbers characters to a numeric value is a common task in C. In C programming, and is often used to prevent a runtime error. Reading a string is less error prone than expecting a numeric value, only to have the user accidentally type an O rather than 0. And let me just show it to you how we can use these functions available in the stdio.h. So here in this example, the stdio.h, which is this line. So this library contains the following functions for converting a string to a number. So as you can see here, I have used the atoy. So int atoy str or string for the parameters or arguments, and it stands for ASCII to integer. So ASCII to integer, that's the definition for the atoy, and it converts string to the equivalent integer value. 0 is returned if the first character is not a number or no numbers are encountered. And also the double atof str, which stands for ASCII to float, converts string to the equivalent double value. And the 0.0 is returned if the first character is not a number or no numbers are encountered. And also there's a long int atoll, which stands for ASCII to long integer or long int, converts a string to the equivalent long integer value. 0 is returned if the first character is not a number or no numbers are encountered. So let's go ahead and run this real quick to see the results. Enter a number. So let's try putting 9, and you entered 9. So let's go ahead and run this again, and this time let's try to add 1 0. So 1 and then O. Let's try that. So as you can see, it runs perfectly fine. So just a quick note about this program, that atoy locks error handling, or this atoy function locks error handling, and it is recommended to use the strtoll function if you want to make sure that proper error handling is done. It is encouraged to use the strtoll and or the strtoul instead. If you have it, use str to num. This function atoy is more dangerous than one might think. If the value cannot be represented, the behavior is undefined. So make sure that to check your code, and that's it. So before we wrap up, let's test your knowledge. I have here on this line. So as you can see, there's a missing piece of information in here that needs to be filled in, and I need you to type in a code to convert the string into an integer. And if you know the answer, please put it in the comments section below. Thank you.